To Biafra Battle Cry TV. Biafra is our religion, and here in Biafra is where we worship. We are loyalists to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We also vehemently reject any activity of the evil beast, the commander-in-chief of gunmen in exile, self-acclaimed prime terrorist, who specialized in kidnapping innocent people in Biafra land in the name of IPOB. The prime terrorist has came up heavily to send precautions to anybody that should go against Fulani herdsmen is a terrorist. This is a strategic, Islamic conquest, a ploy to deploy terrorists in our land. We must stop it by means. Now listen. The phone audio was released by one of the affected villagers, who is at the moment crying for help due to the situation on the ground, as a terrorist group recruited by the evil beast prime terrorist and commander-in-chief of gunmen in exile. The new development is happening in Orsu local government area, Imo state. The villagers have been served a quick notice to vacate their ancestral land. Biafrans, judge by yourselves, is this not a Boko Haram template from the north? Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon on another video. Thanks for watching.
As everybody pap, have a bomb bamo. Kind of no one to higher, we're going about the also. All this is my number. I want 11 meeting. Cutting our command than Igbo mother. Commando one by just imago here. When you will an also, well, I want a Chineke have been a legal support or Sibu. I will now not on. And we're my family near though. I want to buy my bed. I have only no loan. I know my Chineke Robert, which is the minimum Macaman. Is your better than my science. Mom proposed, God dispose. Odiyabana Chineke is their final say. So, one I watching a camera. Now good. So, over there, because no, I didn't do Lolilania. And on that very big pens. And in this village, so my mother now, Okuna Bujiri, my mother had a happy. My mom wouldn't know Zinola, Nakim one on all my father Kadaga, and the one that she did the woman, Nelakotakwanya, with the little woman name, so for the very, very good. Come on, the Chinakadi, bigger money book here, bully. So I won't even have the woman, but also. The book I am going out without Bramokuna, everybody about all also. And the fact that you're different today, I don't know what to have. So, going to do tea in a better with Yamaka and others. Bukoni, I yoke a mirror. No tea in a better with one in Yaka. Kashidi Mosura, and your mother again, Yako. We are in very big pens. No Bodana, Boda, people above corner. When I thank God for everything, you know, you can make a idea. Koba has a dazzle from a Koba has a road produce. Omakabaya and Rora Gate, yeah. Damn, no more happen, and how I was in Dammy, and I look on the now. Things is very, very serious. I need to go better. Killing when you had a joke, down the worst. So, because it's in a never. But I don't want to know never. Now, Jesus, amen.
Oh no, well I need to see na Igbo na-eme ihe ọ na-eme si na ọwụkwụ m ka ji na-eme ya ọwụkwụ n'ihi I love my people very much and they know it. I don't want all this anybody involved. I've been hearing about idiots talking all over the place. Some fools trying to be relevant because of Biafra or trying to use my name to gain relevance. Yes. I don't want it. No killing. I don't want any killings, no kidnapping. All this nonsense are alien to us as a people. I don't know where these animals came from. They are taking advantage of the fact that I'm in detention.